Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find blog content ideas to write awesome articles. So this is my favorite strategy to find blog article contents and write article using those content. Basically, if you have a keyword, search that keyword on Google. In this case, I will get my keyword as pet adaptation tips. So I will search pet adaptation tips. After that, press enter and add quora. Quora is a Q&A platform. In this platform, people ask questions, and if someone know the answer to that question, that person will answer it. So I will press enter. When you search it, you will see lot of results related to pet adaptation tips. So I will go to this what are some good tips for dog adaptation application. So I will go inside that result, and also here are more results related to pet adaptation. So I can open those result. Also if I scroll down, actually there has no result for pet adaptation, but no worries, we already got those results. So I will go to this article. In here you will see 15 answers related to dog adaptation application. So only you have to read those content and rewrite those content. Basically you have to find the highest upvote answers. In this case there is one upvote for this answer and one upvote for this answer, and so in this case there has only two answers that has at least one single upvote. So check those content and rewrite this content as you want. You can combine those answers and write one article that has 2000 to 2500 words, and within few months your answer will rank for those keywords. Also, if you don't have keyword idea, or if you don't have any idea to write articles, you can search the questions on Quora related to your niche. In my case, I can search something like pet adoption and press enter. Now I will see the question related to pet adoption. So basically I can read those questions and find the most engaging questions. Then I can write articles using answers of those questions. So if you see a questions on Quora that has lot of engagement, that means people are interested in that questions, and you will be able to find the question type long tail keyword. So this is the best way to find content ideas and rewrite them. So in this way you will save lot of time and energy to write high quality articles. So I hope you get valuable information in this video. If yes, feel free to like and comment about your opinion. In next video I will see you with the new method.